everybody, it's your girl Mel and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you get any value out of this video today, make sure you hit my bell so you can stay updated on all of my future content that's on the way. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today we're going to be doing one of my weekly self-care projects, and I'm getting this self-care project out of the book The Weekly Self-Care Project. I got this book from Target and I'm currently in week 3. So the way that this works is every single week I'm given a self-care task. Alright, so last week my self-care task was to move my body, to work out, to eat cleaner, things of that nature. This week we're going to dive into this week's project to see what my self-care task is. It always starts with a Bible scripture, and so we're going to get into that right now. So this week's scripture comes out of Proverbs chapter 31 verse 27. She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. The devotional is: cleaning is an act of self-care that isn't discussed often, but it's a powerful one. It's an instant boost to your spirits to take a long hot bath and then climb into a freshly made bed with crisp clean sheets, or to walk into a tidy home with everything put away in its place. A sink piled high with dishes, a scummy shower, or surfaces piled with clutter can make your mind feel just as cluttered and murky. Roll up your sleeves and clean up your spaces for an instant feeling of refreshment. So I feel like that's so true, because your home is not clean, and if it's cluttered and if everything is unorganized, then your mind is going to feel unclean, cluttered, and unorganized. You know, like, I don't know about y'all, but I can just think so much more clearer when my home is clean. So that's what I'm going to be doing this week. I'm going to clean up my home. I'm going to wipe down the surfaces. I'm going to disinfect things. I'm going to make things fresh and clean again. All right? All of that is a form of self-care. Let me encourage you real quick. Let me let you know, self-care is not selfish. All right? Take out some time for yourself. And it's not just about going to the spa or going to the mall to buy yourself something nice. Self-care is literally you getting your spray bottle, getting your sponge, and cleaning your home. That's a part of self-care as well. Self-care is literally you freshening things up, you disinfecting things around your home, putting fresh sheets on your bed, things of that nature. All of that is self-care, okay? So this week we're going to take care of ourselves by cleaning our environment. It can be your entire room, it can be your entire home, it can be your bedroom, it can be whatever living space you have, all right? But make sure you are taking care of yourself by cleaning up that space, even if it's just your bedroom and your bathroom, okay? Clean up your living space, all right? So let's go on over into my bedroom. I'm going to start there today. I'm going to start with the bedroom, and then I'm going to tackle my bathroom, and then I'm going to tackle my husband's bathroom as well, all right? So let's get started.
Want to hold me when I'm looking good enough? Did you ever about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
He doesn't see her. You're not making money, boy. Boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see her. You're not making money, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good
That's nuts, Billy.
So now I'm in my babe cave slash dressing room slash filming room, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to clean this room now. I've already done the bedroom. I've already done my bathroom. I did get a very quick clip of me cleaning my bathroom, but my bathroom is so tight. It's so hard for me to get some really good angles in my bathroom. So yeah, that's all I can say. I just had to get a very quick clip in the bathroom for y'all, just so y'all can see that I did clean my bathroom. But now I'm in my babe cave, and I'm going to just tidy up a little bit in here. It's not that bad. I'm going to vacuum, I'm going to dust, I'm going to wipe up, sanitize, stuff like that. So I'm going to set y'all up and y'all can watch me clean up my babe cave. Then I'm going to do the kitchen and the living room. Alright, and I'm probably going to wrap this video on up after that. Alright y'all, so I'm now in my kitchen and I want to just end off this video with a word of encouragement and let y'all know to take care of yourself. Self-care is not selfish, and one of the best ways you can take care of yourself is by taking care of your environment, taking care of your living space, okay? Make sure you are taking out time every week, every other week, to just tidy up your environment, and I guarantee you your mental health will thank you for it. You'll feel so much better in your body and in your mind when you're in a clean and tidy environment. I guarantee it. So we're gonna go ahead, head into the kitchen. Y'all gonna watch me wash the dishes up and clean up the kitchen a little bit. The kitchen's not that bad, but I just want to wash the dishes and everything like that, sweep the floor, mop the floor, and then we're gonna head up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you can stay updated with all the future content that's on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. I love y'all. God bless.
enough. Look at my da-da-da. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you